Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in New Kingston. We are by the S Foods supermarket in New Kingston, a corner of Worthington and Trafalgar Road. Worthington Avenue and Trafalgar Road. Now, it was announced recently that the owners of this property plan to build a 50-story building, 50 floors in New Kingston. Now, this will be a mixed-use development, and we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. However, this would make this building at 50 floors the tallest building in Jamaica and also the tallest building in the Caribbean. Now, a lot of development is taking place in Jamaica. The Rogers, we just did a video, should go up later tonight, where we were calling the Rogers the tallest building in Jamaica for the last time. It's at 20 floors, and the Pinnacle is going to reach 20 floors, I think it's next week. And the Pinnacle is going all the way up to 28 floors. We just made that video, and now we're hearing about a 50-floor building. So a lot of development taking place in Jamaica. So currently now the tallest building is the Rogers at 20 floors in New Kingston. Then you have the Pinnacle at 28 floors in Montego Bay. Then you have Moon Palace, which is going to be 32 floors also in Montego Bay. And then now you have this development that they haven't given it a name yet, but the development by S Foods at 50 floors. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Located on Worthington Avenue in New Kingston, S Food Supermarket, owned by entrepreneur Christopher Issa, recently announced a bold and ambitious long-term vision for its property. It will be leased to A Fresh Marketplace Limited, while Mr. Issa confirmed a future plan to build a 50-story mixed-use tower combining a hotel and residential apartments at the site. This development represents a significant shift for the brand room used by the S Hotel Group. Since launching during the COVID-19 pandemic, S Foods has established itself as a boutique neighborhood staple with its fusion of cultural art, cafe dining, and retail lifestyle. With operations transferring to A Fresh in 2025, the site is being repositioned for high-rise, high-impact urban use. Situated in New Kingston, the commercial heart of Jamaica's capital, the tower could become a vertical anchor in the city's densification efforts, complementing other mid-rise and high-rise developments around Trafalgar and Oxford Roads. Replacing a single-story commercial building with a 50-story complex will generate significant value through new employment, tourism accommodations, retail outlets, and residential units. For Jamaican investors and residents alike, a tower of this scale reflects a new era of ambition in national real estate. It signals both local capability and international aspiration, aligning with broader plans in the Caribbean's expanding luxury development market. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So we will keep you guys updated on this development. So let us know what you think. This would officially be Jamaica's first skyscraper. And New Kingston is the right place to build it because these buildings cost a pretty penny. It's going to cost billions of dollars to build. But the rent in New Kingston is at a premium. So they definitely will see a return on investment in New Kingston. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.